We got our eggs and now it's time for vacation. Hello, and welcome back to a different type of video. I'm your beautiful host, Young Buffett, and in today's video, we're in Italy. I posted a poll on YouTube asking what kind of content you guys would like to see on this trip, and obviously, I don't want to keep you guys hanging. 54% of you guys said, do whatever you want. You love me no matter what. And for that, I love you no matter what. So, 29% of you said you're good with vlog style updates. We're just going to chat. We're going to keep it super casual. Feel free to shoot over any questions. This community has just been super chill. So feel free to scroll down, ask any question you want. So I owe you guys a CryptoZoo update. Let's talk about what the heck even happened. So I'm in the middle of finishing for this Italy trip, and then I get a notification that eggs release in 5 hours. So I hopped over to the CryptoZoo Discord voice chat, and I hopped over on my Finery page, and boy, oh boy, was it hectic. People were strategizing what to do, what to buy, when to buy, what's real, what's fake, should we buy more Zoo tokens? Being worth something like 800, 900 bucks or so. So I started to scale out. I remember in, what was it, September 1st when it was supposed to launch, the Zoo token price plummeted like 50% in a matter of like 40 minutes or something. So that volatility kind of scared me, and I wanted to have BNB instead of Zoo token. And I got confirmation that you could buy the eggs with BNB. So that was all I needed to know to start scaling out. I started selling. The price did start coming down a little bit more and more. It was at the 0.001 or 0.0012. So I thought it was a good time to start scaling out. I posted in my Finery chat that I'm going to start scaling out. I started selling $100, $200 at a time, locking in profits and collecting more and more BNB because I thought you could buy the egg with BNB. But little did I know, when the eggs came out, you could not buy with BNB. Anyways, as we got closer to the launch, fake CryptoZoo started popping up on OpenSea. I had Ethereum lined up to buy. I had the gas fees ready to go, but it just sketched me out. I didn't know what was real. It just rubbed me the wrong way. So I avoided OpenSea altogether. I went full force with their website. I just went all in BNB. Let's see what happens. But their website came out. I waited and waited. The second it came out, I connected. So that really, really sucked. I had to very quickly transfer the BNB back into Zoo. I was stressing out, but luckily for us, the Zoo was cheaper than what we were selling out for, because I think a lot of people were thinking the same thing I was. I quickly connected it and then started buying the eggs with Zoo. I bought one egg. I didn't know if it went through or not. I got a confirmation from MetaMask that it went through, but their website said I had no eggs. I was confused, but I trusted the process. I trusted the CryptoZoo team. I dove in head first, and I picked up 2 more. So I had 3 in total, but it said I had 0. I didn't know what was going on. But again, I just trusted the process. I said, whatever. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. So I went back and I checked on their announcements. It said, you got to check the Binance scanner. Meanwhile, I'm packing for my trip and I'm stressing out. I don't know what's going on. I ended up seeing that, yes, my wallet did have 3 of the eggs confirmed. I added my token ID to my MetaMask wallet. If you don't know how to do that, leave a comment down below. I can explain a little bit more. Or just check their Discord announcements tab. Or just hop in over to the Finery and we can talk about it. I can walk you through it. But you can add the token ID and it'll show up in your MetaMask. It's super easy. Regardless of the bumpy ride, I think it was fun. Shout out to all my new Australian friends for helping guide the way. Honestly, you guys helped out more than you guys know. And then shout out to the CryptoZoo team, Ben Roth, all the developers. Shout out to Logan Paul for putting his name on this thing. I'm super excited for this to come out. It was a bumpy ride, but I'm excited to see where it goes from here. I plan on holding one of the eggs unopened. I plan on opening 2 of the eggs to see what's inside. I'll breed them. I'll buy more eggs when they get released. I plan to play this game out to the fullest. I'm actually really excited about what it all is. I'm excited to see the marketplace and see what things go for then. Currently can't do anything with your BNB eggs, but that's fine. I'm on vacation anyways. And with that, let me know if you have any questions. Think of the comment section as your safe space to ask anything. This community we've built here has been super, super awesome, super, super helpful, super positive, super friendly, and I love all of you. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.